A passionate dedication to a single mission and an unswerving commitment to achievement of that mission. Whatever comes my way, I'm going to tackle, and I'm not going to cower down in the name of Christ. You don't halt. You don't coast. You move through the finish line. You don't stop at the finish line. You power through it. That's our philosophy. That's our culture. That's part of being gritty. Just remember this. Enthusiasm is common. Endurance is rare. You have to work with a conviction that what you're doing matters. So remember this one thing. Anything that's worth doing has to be done with your whole heart.